What's up, everybody? Congratulations, we made it to spring.
It's beautiful.
I know for the East Coast it was a super bad winter. They had a lot of snow. Up here in the Pacific Northwest, however, we did not get very much snow. I think I used my shovel once, and that was just because I wanted to. It still got up to 44 that day and it melted away. But we're in spring now, and this is the best way to get your lawn ready for the 2026 season. Let's mow. Got a new puppy this year. RIP to the grass. Your lawn coming out of dormancy is just the same way as like a bear coming out of hibernation. A bear will stay in their cave for like up to a week before it moseys out and looks for food. If you wake a bear up too fast, it will go into a rage. I mean, just ask Leonardo DiCaprio. The lawn is the same way. It doesn't want to be woken up by a heavy dose of fertilizer right away. It wants to slowly wake up. If you hit it with a heavy dose of fertilizer, that'll just stay on the surface, and then if rain comes, it'll get washed away into the storm drains, and that's a big no-no. You would just be wasting your time and your money. The best way to wake up your lawn is really easy. Start with picking up all the debris, the leaves, the toys, the sticks that was brought in from the winter. Get them off your lawn. The next thing you can do is a simple rake job. Get those grass blades to stand back up, allow for oxygen and sunlight to get down to the soil, clean up all the dead grass that's been there, or dog spots if you got dog spots. You can get that raked up too. Then if you're dying to mow the lawn because you haven't mowed the lawn for months, you can always sharpen your mower blades and really clean up the lawn, pick up all the pine needles, leaves, everything that's left behind, and then you can also cut the tips off of your lawn.
Just the tip, just for a second, just to see how it feels.
Now that your lawn hasn't seen fertilizer for a couple months, now is the perfect time to do a soil test. Doing a soil test is really easy to do, and it gives you all the information you need for what fertilizer to buy this year. Otherwise, you're just buying triple 16 and throwing it down 3 times a year. Talking to you, Ryan, with an E. The main things to look for in your soil test are your pH levels, if they're too high, if they're too low, your phosphorus levels, and your potassium levels. Your nitrogen levels are going to be low no matter what. Nitrogen is the first thing to get flushed through, and I'm not too concerned about getting my nitrogen levels. As long as you hit it with 3 to 5 pounds of nitrogen a year, you're fine. Once you get your soil test results, then you can buy your fertilizer based off those results. Well, that is how easy it is to wake up your lawn this year. Don't go too hard from the beginning, and your lawn will recover just fine. In my next video, I will be going over a pre-emergent, so stay tuned for that. As for this year, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the best lawn in the neighborhood. Thanks for watching.